The Griffith University Health Clinic is an incredibly affordable option for people in the community to access physiotherapy, but it's also a fantastic opportunity for the Griffith students to be able to learn on real clients, real people, and help them on their path.
So we get to have a one-on-one experience with the clients when they come in, and we're under the supervision of our clinical educators, which make sure that we're getting all of the appropriate assessment, the right diagnosis, and the best possible treatment to get the best outcomes for the patients.
The clinic is essentially open to everybody in the community. You don't need a referral to come to the clinic. You can simply call up and make an appointment to see one of the students or one of the staff that work here also. Part of our holistic approach here at the Griffith University Health Clinics is to work in with other professions, and a good example of that is how closely the physiotherapists and their students work with the exercise physiology students and professional staff to get a better outcome for their clients and I guess to get a better understanding of that multidisciplinary care that exists everywhere now. So the Griffith Health Clinic is opposite the hospital here at the Gold Coast based Griffith campus. Probably the easiest and simplest way to get here is to get the G-Link, and the G-Link station is directly below us.